Tell me about yourself. I'm
I'm
confident
confident
communicator
ko
with experience in handling customer calls and solving problems quickly. Why do you want to work in the call center? I enjoy helping people and stay calm under pressure, which fits well in this role. What's your strength? Good communication, patience, and the ability to multitask. What's your biggest weakness? I used to speak too fast. I've learned to pace myself for better clarity. How do you handle angry customers? I stay calm, careful, and try to solve issues politely and quickly. Can you work night shift or weekends? Yes, I'm flexible with shifts. Shift and understand the nature of call center hours. Why should we hire you? I'm skilled, motivated, and ready to deliver great customer service from day one. How do you handle pressure? I stay organized, focus on one call at a time, and manage manage stress. How do you have any question for us? Yes, what tools or system do you use for handling and training?